When I joined Zoho, I actually didn't have any idea on what to expect. The sense of value and inclusivity hooked me right from the start. Openness isn't just a buzzword at Zoho, and it's a way of life. Like, I can just offer suggestions and ideas to any product within Zoho. This freedom to contribute across the board, I feel this is very unique with Zoho. The first project I worked as product manager is in ZeptoMail, and I primarily concentrated on user experience. And at that juncture, I just reduced a 5-step onboarding process, and it was very complex, to just do. And the immediate positive response from the customers was very much rewarding, and I felt very much connected to the company's mission. Now, looking back, the 13 years at Zoho has been full of growth, passion, and surprises. The major reason I feel is the inspiration drawn from the leaders, the inclusivity of the company, and the motivation and guidance from the mentors. This journey has been very much rewarding and helped me maintain a balanced life.